Recruiting the right talent is critical to an organization's success. An effective recruitment policy and its accompanying procedures not only streamline the hiring process, but also ensures compliance with legal standards and promotes diversity and inclusion. Developing a well-structured recruitment policy and procedures ensures that organizations attract and retain the best talent. They maintain compliance with legal systems and foster a positive workplace culture. By following these steps, companies can build a strong foundation for their hiring processes and achieve long-term success. Step 1. Understand organizational needs. First, analyze the workforce. Look at the requirements that are needed. Access current workforce strengths and gaps. Project future needs based on organizational goals. Determine the roles and skills needed to achieve these goals. Align with business objectives. Ensure that recruitment strategies support the overall business strategy. Communicate with department heads to align recruitment needs with departmental objectives. Step 2. Define the recruitment policy. Define its purpose and its scope. State the purpose of recruitment policies, i.e., is it to attract, select and retain qualified candidates? Define the scope, including which departments and positions it covers. Policy statement. Commit to equal opportunity employment and diversity. Ensure compliance with local, state and federal employment laws. Recruitment strategy. Outline strategies for sourcing candidates. For example, job boards, social media, recruitment agencies. Detail methods for internal and external recruitment. Step 3. You need to develop recruitment procedures. Job analysis and descriptions. You need to conduct job analysis to identify duties, responsibilities required, and the qualifications and key competencies. Create detailed job descriptions and specifications. Then, source candidates. Use various channels like online job portals, social media, and campus recruitment. Encourage employee referrals and utilize recruitment agencies if necessary. Screening and selection. Develop a standardized process for reviewing applications. Conduct initial phone screenings to shortlist candidates. Use structured interviews and relevant assessment tools to evaluate candidates. The interview process. Prepare interview questions that align with the job requirements. Train interviewers on best practices and legal considerations. Ensure a diverse interview panel to minimize any bias. Carry out background checks and references. Ensure consistency and fairness in the verification process. Job offer and onboarding. Plan an effective onboarding process to integrate new hires smoothly within your team. Step 4. Monitor and review. Evaluation and feedback. Regularly review the effectiveness of the recruitment policy and procedures. Gather feedback from hiring managers and new employees. Continuous improvement. Update your policies and procedures based on the feedback you have received and changing business needs. Stay informed about industry trends and legal changes. Metrics and reporting. Track key recruitment metrics such as time to fill a post, cost per hire, and quality of hire. Report those findings to senior management to ensure continuous alignment with business goals.